Hi, I have in front of me coaxial couplers. We have these available with either individually as ones or in groups of packs of 100, okay? The typical application for this is simply to join together two coaxial cables, although it can be used to convert a coaxial male into a coaxial female connector, and that can be useful. In terms of the shipping options on it, if you buy it individually, the postal option is available, which is our lowest cost option, and if you buy them in packs of 100, you have the option of a small parcel shipping. So what I'm going to do now is bring into focus is a coaxial coupler or a coaxial connector. So this coaxial connector here, very commonly used in the industry. It's used with the TV aerials and sometimes in the area of TV distribution. If you have a TV that has a tuner on it, which all televisions do, it will effectively always come with a connection like this. So it's used for both analog and digital things. So it's a very, very common connectors. And the reason that you use a coupler with it is that possibly you want to join together two cables. You have a coaxial cable that's too short, you want to extend it. And what you could do is, and I'm just going to move this out of the way here. What you could do here is you could simply slide it in here, like this. And it'll just push in here and you can see. And now what we could use is we could use a separate coaxial thing, if we imagine this being on a lead, to join on the far side, to join together two leads. Or what we could do is you could use this if you were taking an output, we'll say, or you wanted to convert. Normally we'll say the male version, which is the connected version, is counted as an input type, and the female version is counted as an output type. So just say you had something like an old DVR or something like that, you need to take an output off it. What you'd use is you would have something like this, and that coupler, and you use to convert it from an input to an output, or a male to a female, effectively. So overall, I would say they're not hugely selling things, but they are an important part of the overall range of connectors we have. What we found is over the years, in terms of satellites and that, it's moved over to F-type connections, easier to put on, things like that. But still, there's a very, very large demand for coaxial connectors and couplers for that matter. So that's it anyway, an overview of the coaxial couplers available on freetv.ie.